MLGO stock, MicroAlgo Inc. is rallying within a longer-term bearish trend. As you can see in this session of the 26th of January 2023, it is up roughly 75%. And we haven't found any news behind this rally, so just know that this is a stock that DeSPAC'd. It was the SPAC merger was completed as of the 13th of December. So we all know very well what happens. The funds that got involved in that merger, that raised the funds for the company, are going to redeem their money, and it's usually around 99%. So this is a rally. This is some rally going on right now, but this is not. Based on what we have seen with other SPAC stocks, do not expect this rally to continue forever. There's a very good chance that this is just going to be. It's going to retrace at some point. It actually plunged, on the day that merger was completed. It ran up a gain of around 400% or thereabouts, and has since plunged all the way down to this sort of lows. So it's rallying at the moment, yes, but expect it to even retrace further. So the folks who got involved, the hedge funds and the other funds that help the company raise funds, are going to redeem their money. They're going to get their money back, and the interest is around 99%. So that is what we're seeing. They are going to be selling shares. Some of them are going to sell shares nakedly. They're going to do all sorts of things. So the point of this whole rant is just be really careful about MLGO stock. Just be really careful. It's a penny stock. Market capitalization is not so much. It is highly vulnerable to manipulation, amongst other things. So there are a lot of things going on there. The funds that were involved need to redeem their investments, and all sorts of things. You can even see here, it says here, MicroAlgo signs a $3.2 billion securities purchase deal with JSD. This was also on the same day the SPAC merger was completed. You can see here it's also saying MicroAlgo up for 411%, goes parabolic after the SPACing. So just know how you're playing this stock, know how you're playing it. So let's get the projections for you. On the 1 minute live chart, we have an upper projection of 3.15. Okay, let's look at the daily chart and see what we have there for MLGO. On the daily chart, we have an upper projection of all the way to $15. Yeah, that looks wonderful, but there's no guarantee that's going to happen. And even if it gets there, there's every likelihood that even if the hedge funds that funded the company raise all their money, they may still remain there to continue to plunder it, to drive it into bankruptcy before they get out of there. Because they don't want to redeem their. Based on what we have seen, they don't want to redeem their. They don't want to repurchase the shares they've sold short. So before that $15.74 projection, there are other projections. This is on the daily chart. There is a projection of 10.13. There is also 8.08. There's a 6.77. There's no guarantee any of those will happen. The closest to where it is right now on this daily chart is 4.71. Let's return and see what's going on here live. Okay, it has got another resistance. Was resisted at $2.99 and is now at 2.78. Momentum is waning as well on this 1 minute live chart. So to RSI. So be really careful with MLGO stock. It's a SPAC stock. The hedge funds that funded the company are going to definitely redeem their investment, and it is usually almost 100%. So expect the stock to continue to retrace. It's not optionable. If not, you would have probably gotten involved with its options. There are no options, not optionable. So just be really careful, and I'll continue to update you. Okay, see the sort of aggression we're looking at here. Okay, so there isn't even much. The liquidity is not that wonderful going by this level of aggression we are looking at right here. Okay, so MLGO, highly risky, highly vulnerable. Market cap around let's see now, market cap is around $73.2 million. You know, that is very small, really small. Shares outstanding 48.857 million. Okay, so once again, highly risky MLGO. Know what you're doing, and thank you very much for watching this video.